When it says industry owned and governed utility, that's your goal, is to say, let's get a whole bunch of industry leaders all involved here and have them have that ownership.
But more important, we have to give them the framework, the infrastructure,
Yes.
the pieces necessary. And the key to that is something like a governance model where the member companies vote on a steering committee. I mean, you might call it a board of directors. So companies join. In this case, I mean, there's a number of ways to do it. We've actually put a structure together where companies join by getting equity in the company, which means they have an ownership stake in the company, as well as the voting rights for the boards of directors.
Right. They got skin in the game. They're going to want to
They get skin in the game, and they have legal standing with that skin in the game. They then, member companies and the steering committees create working groups to tackle specific problems. The working groups propose ideas, they vote on recommendations, they go back to the steering committee or the board of directors, and the board of directors vote on and send it to we need to have an operating company, something that can actually turn the bolts and pull out the wrenches and write the software. But that is totally subservient to the steering committee, or the aka board of directors. And the steering committee would have control of all the aspects of this, including things like the fees charged, the subscriptions, the money would actually be determined by the steering committee. The problem is, how do you build this when you don't have it as a starting point? There is no steering committee to build the steering committee until you got a steering committee.